Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cloud communications and specifically focusing on RingCentral, a major player in the business phone and collaboration space. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you noticed any recent changes with RingCentral service? Maybe some features seem sluggish, or perhaps there's been a shift in pricing. These are just a few things that might have you wondering, is RingCentral in financial trouble? Now, financial trouble is a strong term, so let's unpack it a bit. A company can face challenges without being on the verge of collapse. But financial health is undeniably important, especially when you're trusting a service with your business communications. So, is RingCentral experiencing some bumps in the road? Or is it a full-on breakdown? To answer that, we need to take a deep dive into RingCentral's recent performance. We'll look at their financials, analyze industry trends, and see what analysts and experts are saying. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of RingCentral's financial standing and what it might mean for you, the user. First, let's talk about the cold, hard numbers. RingCentral did experience some fluctuations in their recent financial reports. Their stock price, for instance, has seen a significant drop over the past few years. This could be a cause for concern, but it's not always the whole story. Here's where things get interesting. While their stock price may be down, RingCentral is still reporting revenue growth. Their core business, subscriptions, continues to see a steady increase year on year. This suggests that they're still acquiring new customers and retaining existing ones. That's a positive sign, but it doesn't paint the entire picture. The reason for the stock price dip could be due to a few factors. One possibility is a slowdown in the overall cloud communications market. Competition is fierce, and giants like Microsoft Teams and Google Meet are constantly innovating. This puts pressure on RingCentral to stay ahead of the curve and keep their offerings competitive. Another factor could be RingCentral's shift towards becoming a more multi-product company. They're investing heavily in new features like AI-powered solutions and video conferencing. While this positions them well for the future, it might be impacting their short-term profitability. Investors, who often focus on immediate returns, might be wary of these investments. Now, let's not forget the analysts. While some express concerns about RingCentral's stock performance, others remain optimistic about their long-term prospects. They acknowledge the competitive landscape but highlight RingCentral's strong brand recognition and established customer base as significant advantages. So, what does this all mean for you? Here's the takeaway. RingCentral isn't necessarily in financial trouble. They're still a major player, and their core business seems to be holding strong. However, they are facing some challenges both from the market and their own strategic shift. As a RingCentral user, you might experience some changes as they navigate these challenges. It's important to stay informed about any service updates or pricing adjustments. But for now, there's no need to panic. Remember, the cloud communications landscape is constantly evolving. It's always wise to keep an eye on industry trends and evaluate your options regularly. If RingCentral doesn't seem to be meeting your needs anymore, there are plenty of other great cloud communication platforms out there. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those calls clear and those connections strong.